back here. I wanted to talk to you about our 2022 season and our upcoming 2023 season right now. Some old sponsors and some new sponsors that we're going to have this season. For anybody that's been keeping up with me, you guys know 2022 did not work out too well with us. We had some car issues at multiple events, but I think we got it all figured out this season. We got some good help from Matt Field on our A&A Corvette bracket system. So now we're going to be running a complete 10 rib blower setup with an 8 rib jack shaft. So hopefully our belt will stay on. We're back here working on it right now, trying to get everything lined up down to the T. We do not want any belt issues. Last season, round 1 of FD was at OSW in Orlando, and we did have some issues with that. The first couple laps that you guys saw on the FD live stream were my first actual laps in the car. Like, we got the car started and tuned on the same day, and then it was in the trailer that night on the way to Orlando. So for anybody building a car out there, do not do that. Terrible idea. Don't recommend. So yeah, round 1, we just wanted to get there, and we got there, but nothing happened like we wanted to. Round 2 at New Jersey was actually pretty good. We qualified, and we did make it into competition with Andy Haley. We did have a couple of issues with the car, the suspension, but overall the car worked. So we were very happy with that event. Round 3 in St. Louis, I don't know if it was the speed, the elevation, or whatever, but the car just cut out every single lap. We could not get it figured out, but that's part of the game. Round 4 at Utah, car was feeling good, car was feeling solid. Shout out to the FD Link team for helping us at Utah. They really helped us get the issue solved. They were able to get into the computer real quick via the data cable that we have on the side of the roll cage bar, and they found a couple issues. So leading into competition, I was feeling good in practice, car felt solid, and then we decided to do a gear change and do 1 or 2 more practice laps. And on one of my practice laps, unfortunately, we blew the oil line behind the header. So for 2023, we got rid of all the stuff that can fail. At least we think we did. We hope we did. And we got an oil filter relocation kit from Improved Racing. So now we're going to be mounting the oil filter up here on my frame rail. Not going to have any oil lines behind my headers at all. For 2023, we did pick up a couple new sponsors that I want to share with you guys. One being Koenig Wheels USA. So as you guys know, I've always been running carbine wheels, but unfortunately they went out of business. While we were at SEMA, we were able to meet up with Koenig, and they were very happy to be a part of our team, and we're very happy to have them. So this season, the car will be on all Koenig wheels, so it should look pretty fresh, and we'll have some nice spares to keep around in the trailer. Another sponsor that we picked up this season is going to be D&D Performance Interior. They reached out to me with a good offer that I could not turn down, and we are lucky enough to be running the brand new SFI certified Halo seats from them. They look sick. I can't wait to get them. I don't have them yet, but as soon as we get those, we're going to be putting them in the car and showing you guys everything about them. So Deechworks is going to be hopping on board with us again this year. They've been with us for a long time. Happy to support them. They support us. So you guys are going to see another big Deechworks sticker on the car this year. You guys are going to see me wearing some more Deechworks products. Happy to have them. Glad they're on the team this season. We actually upgraded our AFI blower. Ryan Jones over at American Forced Induction popped in the new street impeller design wheel in it. It's supposed to flow around 20% more air, more volume, so that'll be nice. We'll have the blower on there with our new Treadstone Performance intercooler as well. You guys don't see it on the car right now. We're actually working on some brackets for it. I believe it's the 9-inch core intercooler this season and 2 of the VIS Racing blow-off valves. So our IATs will be lower. The car's going to make more power with less boost, and hopefully everything's more reliable. Honestly, we just want to keep everything cool, make good power at consistent levels. So that's our plan this season. Something else that's really important and really big this season is our brand new engine. So the LS3 that me and my friends built here in the shop, we pulled it out. It's over there, and we popped in our new Thompson Motorsports Dart 427. You guys have probably seen a couple of my Instagram reels and stuff on it recently. But we got that guy in. It's up and running right now. Pretty soon we're going to be going to Oklahoma City to tune with Josh Love with our tuner Divulge Motorsports. So we just got to finish a couple things on this guy, and then we can get it up to OKC to get it tuned. So happy to do that. Got a couple things to finish, but we're going to be working on that very soon. So for this season, we got all 4 events planned for FD Prospec, and then we do have Holly LS Fest planned and SEMA Ignited as well. Pay attention to my Instagram. I will be posting the 2023 schedule if you guys want to come hang out with us, attend an event, get a ride along. So keep an eye out for that. We do have some more things coming up here pretty soon I'll let you know about. Right now, we just wanted to give you guys a quick talk, figure out what's going on, and give you an update about our season and our plans and our goals. This season, we're also working on a new line of merch. We'll include hats, t-shirts, hoodies. Our good friend Reagan over at the Reaganstein, or Sticker Phantom, is going to be doing all that for us, as well as a completely new wrap. with our updated sponsors and new logos and new livery. Just gonna clean the car up a little bit and try to really support our partners with the logo placements and everything that we have going on there. We got some really good guys like Alex Ortiz and Chris Storyphoto helping us out this season. Chris helped us out last season as well. Really happy to have them on the team, taking cool videos and pictures like the one you're seeing right now. Alex is behind the camera. I'll have Kyle get in it.
Get in there, Kyle.
Come on, Kyle, get in here.
Hi, I'm Kyle. I got a sign on, but I wish I didn't.
Yeah. So crew chief Kyle back here has been helping us out a ton recently here in the shop, get all this stuff figured out.
Been next to his head.
So wherever he's at.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Kyle's going to be with us helping us out again this season. I'm not really sure who our spotter is going to be this year yet, but hopefully we get all that figured out. All right, guys, well, that's it. That's going to be it for our 2023 season update. Pay attention to our pages, keep a lookout, and we're excited to see you out on the track.
It's like